I'd like to start by offering greetings to Jamie, Kate, and the entire membership of NHMA, and thank you for allowing me to participate in this celebration as you move forward as ManufactureCT. One of the things that struck me when I first took this role with the state is the strength, depth, and commitment of the manufacturing organizations in Connecticut. As one of the largest and quite possibly the oldest manufacturing group in the state, NHMA, now ManufactureCT, has a most impressive legacy upon which to build. I know that your focus on programming by manufacturers for manufacturers, your activities in workforce development, your government affairs and economic development activities create significant value for your members and, frankly, for the state manufacturing community as a whole. I'm excited that moving forward as ManufactureCT, you'll be well positioned to add more manufacturers to your organization, as I believe that our manufacturers are much better positioned for success as part of a progressive, innovative, and supportive organization such as ManufactureCT versus having to compete in the global market alone. I look forward to working with you all to further the progress of ManufactureCT and to further the progress of manufacturing in Connecticut. Thank you.